this video we will install a jet kit on a 1999 Kawasaki ZX9R. The ZX9R is already a pretty fast bike, although this one will receive some extra horsepower. This one was practically stock except for the muffler. These are the jets we will install in this bike. On with the work. The first thing you need to do is remove your seat to get access to your fuel tank. Because this bike has a fuel switch, you need to turn it off. Unplug the hoses and remove the screws connecting your tank to the frame. Disconnect the rest of the fuel lines and then remove the gas tank. Now you have gained full access to your airbox. Unscrew the top of it and remove your air filter. This is also a good time to check for its condition. After removing the airbox, you have now gained access to your carburetor. Unplug all the hoses connected to them so you can pull them out. With the carburetors out of your bike, you can start now to disassemble them. This is a good time to check for accumulated waste and clean everything. After removing everything, we highly recommend that you clean everything up. You can use gasoline for that. Now that you can access your jets, you just replace them with the new ones, and this will allow your engine to get more fuel in it. Assemble everything together again and take your bike for a test ride.